Hi, I'm Jen.
And I'm Adriana.
And we're the co-directors of Summer at Q Forest.
The 2021 camp season runs from July 6th through August 13th. The hours are 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., Monday through Friday, and you can register for 2, 4, or all 6 weeks.
I like to think that it's the fact that our teachers really understand how to teach the whole child. They understand it's not just academics and it's not just fun and games. It's making sure that balance is there every day. A typical day at Q Forest is a blend of academics in the morning with recreational activities in the afternoon. We also include lunch and 2 snacks.
Our afternoon program has a wide variety of classes, such as dance, drama, martial arts, computers, and gym, as well as weekly special events.
Our goal is to help prevent the summer slide. We offer enrichment in reading, writing, math, and social studies without the burdens of homework and tests. This summer we'll be following the 4 pillars of protection: mask wearing, maintaining social distance, hand hygiene, and making sure sick individuals stay home. We will also be requiring the results of a negative PCR test.
In addition, some other safety precautions that we plan to follow will include staggered arrival and dismissal times to reduce crowding, having our groups follow a cohort model to reduce the likelihood of virus transmission beyond the cohort, performing a daily health and temperature check before people enter the building. Campers are provided a morning and afternoon snack, as well as a nutritious lunch every day, with vegetarian and gluten-free options available upon request.
We would love to have you attend one of our virtual open houses. For more information, please visit qforest.org/summer or email us at summer@qforest.org. We hope to see you this summer.